Pakistan's consumer price index rose by 11.1% in July compared to the same month last year, according to the Pakistan Bureau of Statistics. The CPI measures household inflation, showing a rise from the 12.6% increase in June and the 28.3% increase in July 2023. On a month-to-month basis, the inflation rate was 2.1%. Urban inflation stood at 13.2%, while rural inflation was at 8.1%. Core inflation, excluding food and energy prices, was recorded at 11.7% in urban areas and 16.9% in rural areas. Food inflation was 1.56% year-on-year and 4.67% month-on-month. Key contributions to the monthly increase in urban areas were tomatoes, fresh vegetables, and milk powder. In rural areas, the increases were led by tomatoes at 103.81%, milk powder at 21.19%, and fresh vegetables at 11.35%. Non-food price increases included liquefied hydrocarbons and hospital services in urban areas, along with construction input items and marriage hall charges in rural areas.